All right, figured I'd bring you guys along, chop some kindling, get a fire going. Haven't eaten yet all day, so just been go, go, go. My better half should probably be here within, I don't know, a couple hours, I would say. Oh, yes, boy. Yes, boy. Ooh, yeah, that's a spicy. Almost want to do another. Almost want to do another. Why not, eh? Why not? So yeah, you know, obviously not recommended to start a fire with gas, but you know, c'est la vie. It is what it is. Get her nice and roasty toasty, as it's definitely going now. So instead of a build video, I figure that I'll bring you guys back for kind of a night at the cabin. Probably gonna end up maybe cooking up some beans here in a minute, or some beans. Nope, I have a can of chili, and probably be cooking that up. So I don't know. We'll see what happens here. If you want to stay along, much appreciated. So we'll see what happens here. you're sticking along, muchly appreciated. Hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are in this world. It's almost like you guys are sitting right here beside me at the campfire. Hope this nice Snapple crackle, some pop in here, can help you relax. Oh, I absolutely love sitting around a campfire. Absolutely love it. Feels good to get back here at the cabin. Definitely feels good. Oh, sorry if I'm in the way of the fire. Just cutting up some kindling here. Still dry. This is the stuff that that was milled up for me earlier. Night's definitely coming on here. Definitely getting dark out. Get up there. Oh. Oh my. Yeah, nice and calm back here. Love it. Oh yeah, camera's picking up it good. It's starting to get really dark. Starting to get dark. Tomorrow there's supposed to be a storm in the forecast, I guess. It's supposed to be anywhere from 100 to somewhere is 150 kilometer-an-hour winds. So I'm glad that kind of got everything battened down here. Maybe a little bit more tomorrow as well. And yeah, good thing that I found that out from a friend picking up the ladder. So yeah, pretty good stuff. Oh, we're getting a good coal bed now, so that's good. Alright, probably going to go gather up some dry sticks, try and clean up the property at the same time. I'll just leave you guys here by the fire, so, you know, if you need anything, give me a holler. Oh, you can still see me on camera, yeah. Beautiful. Not too dark. Oh, I don't know when the last time I had a fire was. When was the last time you guys had a fire? It wasn't even the last time I was back here because I remember I didn't have one. I was too busy. Too busy. Oh yeah, you can hear that catching up right nice. Catching up right nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I tell you, it feels some good to get that work done. Yeah, I think the cedar roof is going to look nice. I think it's going to look awesome. I was doing some research on it, on how to match up both ends. It'd be a lot easier if I had some staging, but I think I'll be able to get it done. I found a little hack there. Use a piece of styrofoam when you're up on a roof, I guess. Obviously I'm going to tie myself off. I got some rope now. But use a piece of styrofoam, maybe from like an old bed or a coach cushion or something, and that'll help you from sliding a bit. I'll have to get some more wood. Oh, that's going to catch up nice here in a couple minutes. Oh, it can barely see me now. Oh, wow, I'm past 20 minutes. Perfect. I didn't think I'd be able to go that long. I thought it was an automatic shut-off at 20 minutes. Oh no, that's the countdown left. Oh, okay, that's what that is. That's what that is. Oh, flames are getting bigger. I'm going to move you guys back. Go. Oh. Oh yeah, there we go. Beautiful. there's some nice heat coming off that now. Oh, my car is open too. Gotta go close all that up. I'll do that in a little bit. Well, if you're watching this, hopefully you get some time to relax. You know, thanks for stopping by for the fire. Muchly appreciated. Oh, super excited about the upcoming times here at the cabin. Super excited. Mesmerizing. All right, I'll be right back. Grab my phone. Not sure where it is. So I'm gonna have to go on a hunt for it, I guess. Enjoy the fire. Still there. Oh yeah, still there. Haven't found my phone yet, so I'll do that. All good, all good. Oh, I'm gonna have to go on another wood run. Oh yeah, you can see it.